All right, guys, so first thing should be remove this one right here with the 8 millimeters. I already got it loose, so I don't have to show that part. Next step will be trying to get this away from the from here, so you can just pull it, just to get it out of the way, because we're gonna need enough room to get access over here and pull everything out. So what I recommend is just trying to bring this up as far as you can, and then if you want, you can remove it from here, or you can remove the whole bracket from here, because you got the 10 right there. So I'm gonna get that one out. Okay, I'm gonna get the 10. So that gives me a little bit more room to play with this harness. Now next step will be find the main connector for this ignition coil, so which is gonna be right here, this one right here. So we pull the blue pin out, and then this one right here is loose now. So we're gonna try to get the whole bracket out. So we're gonna start from here. That's one right there. We got another one over here in the middle. And we got another one right here. See, and we got another one right here on this side. Okay, and there should be another one back there. Okay, we got the last one over there. See, it's already loose. So what you can do is just move to a side. Just move it to a side so you don't have to unplug the coil. Just put them on the side, because what I put them on the side, if you unplug the ignition coils, if you unplug the wire, the spark plug wire from here, sometimes they rip off. When you pull it, they break off. So it's just better just leave it there. You really don't need to take them off. Just put them on the side. And now we got access to get the 10 millimeters on the valve cover with the 8 millimeters, the valve cover bolts. So we're gonna get the first one here. This one right there. Let me get the next one. Okay, another one right here. And the last one. Let me get them. Last one over here. Okay, so now we can pop the valve cover out. So we have to remove that hose right here. This one, just pull it up. This one right here, you just come out. That's the PCB valve. So just pop that off. And now, if you see, we don't have enough room to get the valve cover. So that's why we need this on the way out, so we can pull the whole valve cover out. And this is This is the ball cover. See, 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's where your PCB ball goes. So we got the first one out. Now we need to go to the passenger side and do the other one. All right, guys. So this is the passenger side. So this one gets a little tricky. Because we got the oil dipstick right there, and we got the cooling or heater hose right here, and those adapters over there, they plastic. So we just got to do the same thing. Let me move my stuff out of the way. Let me see. Okay, so on this one, just be careful with this hoses, you know, so you don't move too much. You can break those connectors over there for the heater, so just be careful, don't move too much. So I'm gonna put this behind here, you know, trying not to move them too much, you know, just be careful with them. I'm just gonna put right on top of it. I'm gonna lose the same clip over here for the main ignition coil connector right there. I got it loose. Now we have to unplug this thing just in case. That right here, the other one, just to gain room to get my whole thing out. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing, but this time we got the bracket over here for the heater hoses, so we're gonna do that first. Right here, it's a 10. You're gonna get the heater bracket out the way right here. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but we need the 10 millimeters long right there. And put this one back and get the 10. Okay, here we go now. So I'm gonna remove the first one over here, which is this one right here. You will see right on. Let me see if I can catch that closer. Right there, I think. So I'm gonna do the first one right here. This one. Other one right here. Remember, be careful with the hoses. Don't move too much, because you can break them. You can break the connectors. And there is another one right here on the bottom. Another one down there. Okay, on this one right here, I'm gonna need the swivel. I can make a little twist with the swivel, you know, 10 millimeters, 3 inches in a swivel, so I can make the little twist and catch with the impact. Right there, I think. Yeah. Right. Got another one. And now there is one way back there, which we need to figure that out to get it out, because we don't have enough room to get it. So let me see if I can fix that one. Okay. I got my 10 right there, but I need to hook it needs to be a ratchet or something. Let me go get the wrench. All right, guys, so I got this wrench, you know, so it goes ratchet, you know, so, and I got the regular one, so I'm gonna try either one and see which one works better, but I believe this one is gonna make it better, the ratchet one. I just have to take the time to do on this one because we don't have enough room, but with this one it should be faster. Right, guys, so this one is lifesaver. Right here, you get faster than the so I believe this is loose. In this case, this one we may have to you know, see if we can get that whole thing out of the way. But what we're gonna do is I just gonna unplug two of those. The last one from the ignition coil, not from the bottom, you know. So one that give me enough room to get it out. I just unplug one, the last one from the whole thing, and I'm just gonna leave it right here, you know, on the side, so I don't have to remove everything out of the way. Now we just need to be careful with this hose. It's gonna be kind of tight right there, so you either get it from here or either way get it from here, you know. So let me see which one let's go faster. The top one. Okay, that one we just leave it like that now, and we can we're gonna switch to the swivel and a 10, but I think I'm gonna use kind of longer ones, you know. I'm gonna use the 6 inch extension, or probably a long one with the swivel, another 3 with the swivel, and I'm gonna use the 8. All right, so let me go back there, and I'm gonna start from the last one. I got one. Let me go to the other one. The other one. And last one. Let me try this one. I think it's a little tight right there. Right there, loose now. They all loose, so I'm gonna try to bring it up. One thing, don't mix the valve covers, just in case. I mean, there is no way to. You really probably know exactly which one it's which side, but I'm saying just in case. So we got the other valve cover right here. So that's it, guys. That's it. We got it out. So I hope that helps and save you money and time. And I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.